Most above ground pools will have one jet. I'm going to show you how to put a second jet in this above ground pool. If you own a above ground pool, you already know that one jet just doesn't cut it, especially this size pool. First thing you want to do is you want to drop the water about 4 inches below the original jet. So on this side, the jet's right there. You want the opposite side, which is going to go right there. There's a deck on the other side, and unless you want to go this way and you can bury it. So I'm going to put the jet right about there. We're not going to cut the hole in the middle of the two supports. We're going to stick it right about here so we can have access to it. And we're just going to go that way underneath the deck. So the far side, the jet, we want the same level. So right at the trim. So what you're going to need is a second jet, hole saw, and one that will go around. Not too big. I can't tell what size this is. See, the water should have been higher. We just want to get that hole through. Let's go to the other side. So we just want that hole through on the opposite side because of all the steel pieces. And I'll show you how to deal with that. But make sure that the water is actually higher than that. So most of the filings are going to be on the outside. So here we have a pen magnet, and that piece actually fell in there, which is normally doesn't happen, but this is why we have this. We get all the shavings too. So just go on the inside. Go right there. And then all the shavings are going to be right where the water level is. Normally you want the water just below that, right there. So we're just going to go little shavings, if there's any. Got some shavings on there. Better. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some silicone. Okay, we got that. Back side. Now, even on the back side, you probably should put some silicone around. See, there's another gasket right here. There's one on one side, one on the other. Now, on this back part here, because we put the silicone on, you don't want to over tighten that. So you should be able to hold both sides and just hand tight. So it's on there tight. And for now we're just going to put the jet so we don't misplace it. We're just going to screw it on. And then just clean up around the edge if anything's squeezed out. This fitting is for the new jet. Silicone. So you have to hold the inside jet. I'm returning this. Run your flex pipe from the equipment to where you want your other jet. straight up and down. We got a ball valve. Make sure you do it the right way. So if we shut that off and then this is disconnected, it's going to be like that. So primer softens up everything, and then we'll use the glue. Glue. Yeah, we don't want to join the soft pipe to this because we want to take this weight off right there. So we're going to use some rigid pipe. Yeah, I should use a smaller, just messy. We want that weight on the ground. So we're gonna put it right about there. Okay, so we want that weight. If I push down, it's not pulling on the wall. So we're gonna try to. So primer, glue. Just cleans it up too when you use the primer. Glue. So this is our other side hookup. Normally I want this pump a little bit closer, more like right there, so it takes the pressure off the skimmer. You see the first jet goes down and we branch off to, we're just using a Y fitting right there. You can use a T. No other pool have I plumbed it this way, so each time is different. So I'm just showing you on how we do it. So I want to take that weight off the jets, straight down. So the weight's right there, it's not going to bend at all. And we're up. And that's our setup. Nothing's pretty, but this is our only options. I put this in so it takes the weight off, but we also have it on the other side where it goes down, takes the weight off right there. This is the jet that normally comes with it. So we're going to put one in that goes sideways, right where the skimmer is.